Yeah, one of the great things at Lowbrow is that we've got a real mixed group of people, but we all get along great. A lot of unique individuals. But the new guy that Dan hired, we'll see how he works out. He's a little out there.
Hey man, I'm here. TCB baby, TCB. We can't go on together, racist.
Here at Lowbrow, we take shipping orders very seriously. And between you and me, I don't know, this Elvis guy thinks he's a celebrity or something. I don't think he's gonna make it too long though.
Don't be cruel to a heart that's true.
Hey, I need these parts for orders. You can't just be using them for microphones.
TCB baby, TCB.
Yeah, the new guy's been great, but I feel like productivity is way down. I mean, morale's way up. He's always singing and dancing, but the guy can't pick an order to save his life. It's driving me nuts.
I'm gonna eat my lunch. I'm gonna eat my lunch. It's gonna be frozen in the middle. A banana pan? Come on, man. Oh, that sounds crazy. I can make you a peanut butter and banana sandwich. That's all right, mama. That's all right for you. Hello? Hello? Banana pan.
This Elvis character, I don't know. His voice is great, but he's not lowbrow material. He's been at all different stations here at Lowbrow. I just don't think he knows a lot about motorcycles.
Hey, what are you doing in my area? What's cooking, good looking? Aren't you dead? Nope, but I do love lowbrowcustoms.com. You look familiar. I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm the king. I get that a lot. Who are you winking at? LBC, baby. Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart?